Hello and thank you for watching. In this video we are going to do 2 octave scales in the key of C in thirds. So the first thing you want to do is you want to review your fingering for each hand. Then we're going to get set. The hands are going to feel kind of like they're on top of each other. Left hand pinky is going to be on C, right hand third finger starts on E. So your melody of the scale is in the left hand, and the right hand is playing a third higher with the regular fingering. So your right hand fingering for the scale in thirds is going to start on 3. And end on 3. So you're just starting the scale in a different spot. Instead of C to C, it's E to E, but it's with the fingering from C to C. So slowly, left hand has standard fingering.